Hi folks, welcome back. Hope you are doing well. Today we have a lecture 40 of ICT series. Overall our series has been completed, and in today's lecture I will show you the overall summary of this series. So make sure you stick with this video till end, so you will get to know how you can reach this live tape trading, how you can enter in this live tape trading. So let's get started. So I made some content for you here. So the ICT, the all concept, whatever he is teaching from 2016, 15 or since 90s, he is teaching to his students. Everything is based on time. Okay, if you are new to the trading, you have to be thankful that you don't have to be open anytime and worrying about to buy and sell of either you are doing stocks, either you are doing Forex or another asset class. Everything is run on a time based on ICT. This price run by an algorithm, and the algorithm run on a time. First is the time, second is the price. So first thing is the time, then the liquidity. Market have two type of liquidity: internal range and the external range. External range can be called highs and lows respectively, and internal range can be an imbalance, efficiencies or volume imbalance, the gaps, order block, anything. Then the PDRS. PDRS is based on the premium and discount, and then type of PDRS, and then the ICT modules. Okay, so the time, if you come to the time respective, so we have the in the red we have three times: the Asia kill zones hours, we have a London kill zone hours, and a silver bullet time, London and New York kill zone hours. Okay, so here are the some time respective. You can screenshot it or you can write it. By the way, I explained in detail on this series. If you are new to our channel, make sure I already make a playlist on it, and you will find on your third lecture the time frame kill zones. Okay, so it will be more helpful and the more deep than here. Okay, I mentioned someone here and remain one there. Okay, so here are the kill zone. So mean that you only have to enter on the market on this time, and you will see some sort of thing. You will find the liquidity, then you will find some sort of model that I explain in this series. You will find here the ICT 22 model, silver bullet, judo swing, OTE patterns, market meters, sell model, and buy model. You will find that one there. The second thing and more important, the liquidity. Market first run to the sell side, then go to the buy side. So the first external range has been swept, then the external range, then market go to the internal range, then it's come to the again external range. So market only go from liquidity from sell side to buy side, and from buy side to the sell side. This doing, if you learn only this thing, you can be enough for this market. Whenever you see any relative equal highs or any relative equals lows, most likely price will get that one. Okay, so we have a here external range, we have this internal range. In these pullbacks, you will see price always come to the internal range, like a fair value gap or order block or a breaker block or any inversion fair value gap. It can be anything. Okay, so external to internal, from internal to external, that is the basic concept of liquidity that's doing always every day. And liquidity can be the previous day high, previous week high, and previous session high, or respectively any long-term high or previous month high, whatever is that. After the sweep of that one, you will see some sort of reaction from that area, because anyone buy and sell from the top, he will keep his stop loss on that area. So market algorithm have ability to go to take out their stops. Okay, that can be a buy stop or sell stop. Then we have a period race. Basically the period race is, for example, I mark the high and the low of this thing. We have a 50% of Fibonacci, anything above is a premium, anything is below 50 is a discount. So in discount area you only buy, in premium area only you sell. So you have to do, what have you do, you have to find any of these following things, okay, in the premium to sell, and any of these you will need for a buy in a discount area. Old high or low, rejection block, bearish block, order block, liquidity void, fair value gap, inversion, fair value gap, anything in a premium which is in alignment of your bias, daily bias, which I explain also in my series here, okay, daily bias, okay, so you will understand more efficiently, okay. So this is the PD rates. So PD means premium and D for discount. So this is the premium and discount rates, okay. Then we have ICT concept that I explained here everywhere. Here is the silver bullet, okay, a simple example here, but I explain every the famous and most used ICT module in my series, that is ICT 22, ICT silver bullet, okay, the most good one, because this will you get on 3 times of day on your asset class, at least one a time you will see this thing, okay, in a London, New York AM and your PM session, okay. Then you have a Juja swing. This is basically a false move before a real run up, okay. That can be your ICT power of 3 also added on this. The optimal trade entry, a perfect retracement, okay. And then you have a market model, sell model and buy model, the ICT Favourit model, and that's it, okay. So you can watch these all videos. It's very not a big one and not a big long videos, it's small and simple. It will be easy for you to understand, okay. In this concept you will not does it mean that you will going to reach, but you will understand very simple way what is the things, okay, what is the actually ICT and how can you use it, okay. For a live tape reading you have to do something. It doesn't mean you have to pay me. I don't need your money. In the next video, after a 2-week gap, I will make a video on this, and where I will show you what you have to do to enter in the tape reading. I will do a live YouTube stream in front of you on every day on a specific time, okay, and you will basically see my entries, okay. I will not tell you when to enter, but I will anticipate and I will give you the my buy and sell that I giving you in Telegram. If you not to join my Telegram, make sure you join. It will be very helpful for you, okay. So after 2 week or 3 week also I will start my strategy series in my YouTube channel, and it will be really benefit for you. In that live tape reading, at least we should have 200-300 people that can join our live tape reading. Then it will be a benefit. If not, then it's not reasonable. So I will explain you in the next video what you have to do so I can start live streaming in front of you, okay. So I hope you learned something from this video. I'm very thankful the people who are with us from start to the till end, and best of luck for them who can continue with the ICT journey, and I hope one day you will get from it. Until next time, be safe.